how to unlink bank account from Phonepe. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can unlink bank account from your Phonepe account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So then without any further delay, let us get started. First thing, you need to log in into your Phonepe account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and right at the bottom you can see there are multiple tools. So from there you need to tap on My Money. So right on this page, what you need to do is you need to tap on bank account, which is under payment methods. As you tap on it, next page you'll have more detail. Now on this page, you'll be able to see the list of bank accounts that is linked to your Phonepe account. So once you're on this page, you need to select the bank account that you want to unlink or that you want to remove. So once you're done selecting it, all you need to do is you can see that right in the corner just next to your bank account or the account number, you can see there is a bin icon. You'll need to click on it in order to unlink the bank account. And as you tap on the bin icon, next interface right in center you have the pop-up. So then you can go through the following statement, and once you're sure about unlinking the bank account, then just tap on unlink, and after that you've successfully unlinked your bank account from your Phonepe. So that is how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.